Everyone, welcome to this audiovisual class. Today is an interesting topic, so let us start learning English grammar. Today I'm talking about articles. The correct use of articles an. So let us see. In our previous classes, we have well familiar with the topic an articles. Today I will talk about the correct place where we can use an article. An article is used with nouns that start with vowels like a, e, I, o, u. Let us see with the help of a couple of examples: an apple, an elephant, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella. A, E, I, O, U. Before these vowels we can use an article. Next, important case, exceptional case, words that start with a consonant but produce a sound like a vowel, we will use article an. An honest man, an hour, an honored person, an MP, an SP. You can observe these examples. Honest. The words start with a consonant H but it produces a sound of O. Honest. Right? And this one, honored person. This is not honored. This is honored person. And here, an MP, not MP, an MP. So that's why we will use article an. Next, article a. Article a is used with singular countable noun. The noun should be countable plus it should be singular, not plural. That begins with a consonant. He has a book. Book is a countable noun. Book is singular, and before book we had used article a because B is a consonant and a pencil, P is a consonant. Used with quantity, price, weight, etc. Let us see with the help of a couple of examples. A dozen of bananas is bought. A dozen of bananas is bought. Right? A pair of shoes is purchased. A pair of shoes is purchased. Here A, which show a group, a quantity of banana, which show a pair of shoes, we had used article a to represent a quantity, weight or price. My motorbike covers 60 kilometers a liter using a liter of petrol, right? Next, in case of exclamatory sentences, we will use article a or an. What a beautiful dress you have. Amazing. What an obedient child he is. An article is used before obedient child because O is a vowel. Next, in case of representing the frequency. Frequency means when we repeat everyday schedule and or when we do again and again something. Taekwondo class will be offered twice a week. Taekwondo class will be offered twice a week. In a week, in 1 week, the taekwondo class will be only 2 times. Exceptional case. A uniform, a university, a 1 rupee coin, a one-eyed man, a European. Sometimes students are asking a question that sir, a article is being used before a vowel because u, o, e, these are vowels. But my dear students, some words that starts with vowel but actually produce a sound of consonant is being used with article a. So that's why this is a uniform, not uniform. Uniform ya, and ya is a consonant. A university, not university. So here ya is consonant. A 1 rupee coin, va is a consonant. A European, those are the citizen of Europe, European. So here not European, this is ya, European. Ya is consonant, that's why a article is being used here. Omission of article a and n. There are some places where we need no articles. A and articles are not used with plural nouns. A dogs are barking at me. We can't say. I have a copies. We can't say. I have a pencils. We can't say. A group of dogs is barking at me. It's correct. A group of dog, it means singular. A and articles are not used with proper nouns. Very interesting. Please call a Harry. Please call a Mohan. Please call a Ramesh. Please call a Pooja. A Pooja, it is not suitable, not correct. The correct sentence is please call Harry. A child was called by the mother. This is incorrect. Before family relationship, we need no articles. We can't say the father is going to the office. We will say father is going to the office. Right? Before father, there will be no article. Neither a nor an or the. No article should be used. A child was called by mother. It is the correct one. Next, omission of articles. Next rules. Before the name of meals, we need no articles. I was invited for a breakfast. Absolutely incorrect sentence. I had finished my breakfast. I had finished the breakfast. Absolutely incorrect. I was invited for the breakfast. Absolutely incorrect sentence. The correct is I was invited for breakfast. I have finished my lunch and I will take dinner. We can't say I will take a dinner. What do you mean by a dinner, two dinner, three dinner? That's why it is incorrect, right? So please remember, before the name of meals, we need no articles to be used here. Before abstract nouns and materials nouns, we need no articles. A water is used for making tea. What do you mean by a water? Water is already uncountable noun. We can't say a water. So the correct sentence is water is used for making tea. I am sure you understood everything. May God bless you. Have a nice day. Thank you.